How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and you know, in my previous video I told you this was going to be an unboxing of the vintage Johan 64 Cadillac Coupe de Ville hardtop. And before we get started on that, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers and all my new subscribers. And then with that being said, not only are we going to unbox this, we had a kind of a little contest to see who could guess what color this was going to be. And I had, let me see how many people that guessed the color. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 people guessed the color here. We got blue, black, seafoam green, mint green, orange, yellow, red, green, white, beige. Alright, let's get this started. And what y'all didn't know is that for those who guessed the color, whoever gets it right is going to get a choice of a model kit. Yeah, I snuck in a giveaway on this one. I didn't tell nobody or nothing, so if you didn't guess a color, sorry guys. But here we go. Let's open this up. And at the end of this little giveaway here, then stick around and I'll do an unboxing of this. But first, we're just going to open it up and see what the color is. So let's see here. Let's go down the lines here. We're destroying a mint kit right here. Yep, a lot of you guys are probably going to cringe, but models are meant to be built. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what's in it. All right. Hot dev. Somebody's going to be lucky. Where we at? Alright guys, here's this. But look at there. That sucker is, it's not mint green. It's not seafoam green. It is green. David, you just won a model. Not this model, but I'm going to give you a choice of what model you would want here in just a second. Let y'all know that this was not rigged. You know, that was still a sealed kit. And this guy David here, he builds let's see, what was it? He does a lot of the emergency response, police cars and stuff, and he also makes his own lights and stuff like that and sells them and everything. So David, you're the lucky winner. You can see right there, green. That is you. Big Charlie had mint green. Charlie, sorry, you was close. Steven from Small Adventures had seafoam green. And then my blues was Tom and Brent. Black was Tony. Orange was Daniel. Yellow was Gary and Michael. Red was Butch. Green was David. White was Douglas from Model Car Garage video there. Worm Killer Dan was one. Glue King, Glue Bomb King, which is my buddy George. He don't have a YouTube channel yet, but he will soon, hopefully. Beige was CD Scale Models Chris. Tan was Leroy. Sorry guys, y'all didn't win. Maybe next time. But all right, David, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kits that you can choose from. The first one is going to be this old Dodge Charger Turbo 2.2 whatever Charger here. There's this one right here. It's from 1982. This one, you can get the La Bamba Richie Valens 58 Thunderbird. I think it was from like 1989, 88, 89. You can get this one. Alright, or you can get the VILLE 74 Torino Cobra. This one right here. Or you can choose from very old kits, some vintage old kits. You can get this Highway Pioneers 1907 Renault. Small box. I think it's like 132 scale. And it's from copyright 60 or 54 to 60. So, I mean, I'm guess okay at the latest 1960. Alright, or you can choose from the Strombacher Humpmobile, 1909 Humpmobile, 16 horsepower roadster. And this one here was from late 50s, very early 60s. It's not on the box. Somebody told me what it was, and I can't remember right now. But those are your choices. I'll leave an email description below, David. Get a hold of me and tell me what you want. Alright, with that being said, I'm going to turn this thing around here, and we're just going to do this unboxing. Alright guys, you already seen me open it. You already know what color it is. David won, so here we go. This is the box art. Beautiful, beautiful cover. Awesome. There's the engine, the beautiful detailed Cadillac engine. Here's the side of the box. There's the other side, showing what other USA oldies they had to offer. Alright. Of course, let's open it up. But y'all seen me open it. Y'all seen me deface this mint model, but it is what it is. Let's start with the instructions. Number 1. Let's start with the instructions. Huh. There's 2 instruction sheets in here. Look at that. Have y'all ever seen that? So, there they are, making a mistake. Putting 2 instruction sheets in there. Alright, there it is. It starts out number 1 with the engine. Beautiful Cadillac engine. Then it goes to the interior, and these are pretty basic kits. They're not just super detailed. Well, they're detailed, but they're not, they're, it's like a one-piece tub, and this and that and everything. So, it is what it is, but it's awesome. I love my Johan kits. There it shows putting the engine, the front wheel, front suspension in, battery. Then here's the body, the glass, the interior tub, radiator support. And then there is final assembly, tail lights, bumpers, little chassis pins, grill, hood, stuff like that. Typical Johan instructions. That's pretty neat. You got 2 of them. Alright, let's start out with this chrome tree. The chrome is vibrant, very nice, very clean, very nice. Look at that. You can see where the chrome tree, if you used to strip that, it'd be red plastic. It's weird how they do things. So much colors going on. And then here is the glass. Here we go. Let's put that up there. Let's save that body for last. Let's do this. Here's the first tree. It's got a lot of flash. It's got more flash on it than Flash Gordon. There you go. There is your wheel rods, which are not actually rods, they're plastic, but your seat backs. Let's see what the second sprue is. Alright, you got your firewall, you got your engine halves, you got your console for the interior, steering wheel, you got your wheel backs, you got your fans and pulleys. See this side, you got a couple of pins there. There's that. See what this in here is. This is your hood. Look at the flash on that hood. Oh well, flash ain't nothing. Just trim it right off. There's the top of the engine. There's your exhaust. Look at the flash. Look at the flash on the radiator cap. There's your radiator. That's your wheel, whatever, your height things for your wheel. Not for sure what that is without looking at it. Kind of looks like the oil pan. I'm not for sure, but there's that. Then we got your dash. Dash has a lot of flash on it, but boy, look at that detail on that dash. Beautiful. You can bring the detail out in that. Let's see what else is down in here. Oh, we got a loose. We got your battery. I'm going to throw it right back in there. We got your tail lights. And then you got your 4 white wall tires. There you go. Let's throw those back in there. Let's pull this part right here. Alright, now here's your interior tub. Very nice interior. It's all molded in. You can bring the detail out in it though. Here is your chassis plate. You can see right there, promo style, says Johan Models, Detroit, Michigan. There you go, Johan. Beautiful old Johan. Now, what difference from the older kits is, the older kits actually had a front suspension you had to put together, where the, I guess this later 70s kit or whatever, they put all that in one, so there's a difference there. You can see where your pins go right there. Now, let's check out this beautiful body. Look at that. Beautiful. I love me some Cadillacs, some old 60s Cadillacs. Look at that. Look at that script on the back of that. Big old long body. Beautiful, beautiful. There she is, guys. There's the unboxing of the vintage Johan 64 Cadillac. This was a mint, unmolested kit till I molested it. And I want to thank all my participants in guessing the color. Like I said, this was, nobody knew it was going to be a giveaway. David, you seen at the first of the video what models you want. Pick which one you want, tell me, and they'll be on your way. And I'll leave the description below so you can email me. Thank you. Bye.